A very good morning to you children. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine. So today is the GK class, and in the GK class we are going to study page number 295, which is based on safety first. And as we all know that for being safe these days we have to follow 3 golden things. Firstly, we have to cover our faces with the masks whenever we go out. We should maintain social distancing. That means we should remain at a distance from the other people if we are out. And thirdly, it is very important that we maintain proper hand hygiene, either by using sanitizers or by cleaning our hands with soap and water. So today's page also, which we are going to do, is based on safety. We have been given some situations and we have to analyze and think whether whatever we are doing in these situations is going to keep us safe or that things are unsafe for us. So let us begin. The first part is, you are playing in the park. A stranger tries to befriend you and offers you a sweet. You thank the stranger and accept the sweet because it is important to be polite. So if ever we are in this situation and a stranger is trying to befriend us, what we should do? We should avoid him. So if we are accepting sweet from the stranger or we are being polite to that person, so we are making ourselves unsafe. We are unsafe if we fall into such a situation where we talk to stranger. Coming on to the second one, you are suffering from a severe cold and cough. You want to go to school. However, you listen to your parents, take medicines and rest at home. Now, as you can see that this situation is very much applicable in the current situation when this pandemic is spreading so much, and not only going to school but going anywhere. If we are suffering from some cough and cold, we should always remain inside our house. We should avoid going out. And if we are doing that, we are keeping ourselves safe as well as we are keeping others also safe. So now we move on to the third situation. You are in your room when an earthquake occurs. You run out of the room and take the elevator to the ground floor. So children, when you were regularly attending your school, that time also you must have noticed that we were conducting some mock drills. Yes. So why these mock drills were conducted? So that in case any of the disaster occur, we can keep ourselves safe. And if you remember, in that mock drills, it was specially told to you people that if any of the disaster, not only earthquake but any other disaster occur, if there is a fire or any of other situation occurs, we should never use an elevator or a lift. So if we are using an elevator, then we are making ourselves unsafe. Clear? Now we move on to the fourth situation. You return home after playing in the park. Your father has prepared an evening snack. You wash your hands properly with soap and water before eating. So once again, this situation is very much applicable in the current situation where we keep on telling you maintain hand hygiene, you have to wash your hands with soap and water, or we have to use sanitizers. So if you are coming out of the house from anywhere, not only playing but anywhere, the best thing to be done is washing the hands with soap and water before not only eating but before doing any other thing in your house. You should always wash your hands with soap and water at least for 20 seconds. So if we are doing that, we are keeping ourselves safe. Coming on to the last situation, you are visiting your friend who has a pet cat. You tease the cat and force it to play with you. So if anybody is having a pet animal, not only cat but a dog or any other pet, it is very, very unsafe to tease those animals. So if we are teasing the animals, we are becoming unsafe, because the animals can be angry and they can bite you also, which can help you to get injury, or any other disaster can happen to you. So it is not at all safe to tease the animals. So I hope, children, these situations are just a few in which we can judge ourselves whether we are being safe or unsafe. But besides that, if we fall into any other situation, we should always take a safe measure so that we remain safe, as well as the other people also remain safe. So till our next class, take very good care of yourselves. Have a nice day.